Then the next item we'll discuss is security and privacy. So the numerous interaction points increase your vulnerability, and you can have data breaches and unauthorized data access. Then, secondly, you have costs. Building and maintaining AI swarms can be very expensive, and this will drain your resources over time. The presentation is also going to include the spaghetti problem, where complex systems become more trouble than beneficial. So, the spaghetti problem is a critical issue when dealing with AI swarms. And by that, I mean tangled webs of um, data. So, it's all chaotic, and it actually resembles a Rube Goldberg machine. You know the machines where you touch one thing, one machine to get another action to perform, to connect another action to connect another action, and eventually you achieved your final goal. Where you could have done one movement, um, and in as a game it's fun, but as a system for businesses it's not something you want to do. It just breaks. It's just too fragile. It's overly complex and just, as I said, prone to failure. Agent swarms can be very expensive and unpredictable, and you can't control that unpredictability, and you can't control the hallucinations. Well, not normally anyway. Atraxicor has found a way to do that, but we won't go into that in this video. Uh, Privacy concerns loom large. These systems can inadvertently expose very sensitive information. And if you're in South Africa or EU or the UK, GDPR, POPIA, and certain um, aspects of the Consumer Protection Act, you're in serious, but very serious trouble if this happens to you. So, whatever you do, if you're in Europe or South Africa or the UK, don't use AI swarms, whatever you do. Um, Instead of providing clarity and efficiency, they can become major liabilities. Major. So let's break down why this complexity is more of a trap than a solution. Firstly, the cost. These systems are not just expensive to build, but also to maintain and then to repair, because you'll be doing a lot of repairing, believe you me. Secondly, they're unpredictable. With so many interconnected parts, the potential for breakdown increases. And with that, actually, you cannot track where the problem lies, whereas with our system, you can. Finally, privacy. The more complex the system, the harder it is to ensure data privacy. And if we go back to Alex Hormozy's idea of simplicity, we're incorporating it right at the fundamental aspect of Atraxicor, our engine to automate business processes. In essence, while they promise efficiency, these AI swarms, the they deliver fragility instead. And it's crucial to approach their implementation with a key awareness of these pitfalls.